everyone. We are a team of 3 engineers and have made a project Cattery, which is a dynamic NFT-based decentralized clubhouse. Cattery is a system which allows users only having NFT to use our talking rooms. Since only a limited number of NFTs will exist in the system, therefore these NFTs will become more valuable as the demand of system increases, since in our case, a single user will be able to invite only 2 other users. However, there is a catch that a malicious user may exploit the system by minting 2 NFTs to his own 2 different wallets. So, to solve this, we have introduced a limited number of Whisker tokens. So, before sending an NFT to another user, the invitee should have logged some Whisker NEP17 tokens to be eligible to receive an NFT from the inviter. These NEP17 tokens can also be used to trade these NFTs. Now let us move to the architecture. An invitee locks some certain NEP17 tokens to be eligible for membership. Now he can ask for referral from someone who is already a part of the system. The inviter sends one of his 2 referral NFTs to the invitee. But now since we want the NFTs to be unique, the smart contract will use the neo-native Oracle service to call our external API and passes a seed to the API so that a GAN machine learning model can generate a unique cat NFT based on that seed. As of now, the cat NFT looks like this, but we will make it more beautiful and colorful in future. Now, on blockchain, we will be having this type of membership where members with the same color denote that they have the same NFTs, which shows that who has been invited by whom. We will use velvet rope strategy, which is used to create loyal customers out of the existing user base and let FOMO do the rest. In future, we will be creating a membership marketplace using WSK tokens and also provide some exclusive memberships. Now let's have a brief demo. This is a completely new user. We will connect his wallet. The wallet has been connected. Now he will head on to the register section. First of all, he will have to lock his Whisker tokens, which are NEP17 tokens in our case, and in the contract for being a part of the system. He will sign a transaction. The transaction has been signed. Now, since user has staked his tokens, he will have to request for a referral NFT from a user which is already a part of the system. Now, let us head on to our, this is our Genesis wallet, which is already a part of the system. Like we can head to the wallet section. As we can see, there are two NFTs. One is the owner NFT and one is the referral NFT. Referral NFT can be sent to at max 2 users. We will send enter the public key of the user that we want to invite and send him that NFT. We will sign the transaction again. The transaction has been signed and the transaction has been confirmed. Yeah. Now our new user is part of the system, but if he wants to invite any other person, then he will have to mint some referral NFTs, which are 2 in our case. So he will click on mint your NFT. He will sign the transaction. The Oracle will send, Neo Oracle will send a request to our machine learning model, which is a generative adversarial network model, to generate 2 unique NFTs of cats, which can be seen below, the second one. And he can transfer this NFT to other people who want to invite him. Now, since our user is already a part of the system, he can view all rooms. Now, either a user can join any of these rooms or even he can create his own room by clicking on the start room. Now, for demonstration purposes, let us join a room. Yeah. I have joined, which is the ND wallet. I have joined from my another browser for demonstration purposes. And this NP wallet is the current user. Now we can promote this user to the speaker section. He will have to raise hand and then he will be promoted to the speaker section. Yeah, he has been promoted and then the users can talk to. I wish we could have demonstrated it, but since we are recording, so the voice cannot be heard of the 2 users talking. Yeah, and he can, once the room is ended, he can leave quietly. Yeah.